Hey everyone, Craig here with CostCertified. One of the ways that you can show appreciation to your customers, especially if they're returning customers, you can apply a discount. So if you scroll down, as you can see, I'm in the estimate tab here, and if you scroll down, you can see this line that says discount. You can apply a dollar value or you can apply a percentage. For now, I'm just going to apply a 10% discount. There we go, and the system will calculate all the details on what that discount should be. Now, the nice part is when you go to the preview tab, when the customer gets the estimate sent to them, they're going to see this discount section here in nice green lettering, which will show them exactly how much of a discount they're receiving. The second way that you can actually do a discount is if you don't want to do the percentages like this or a dollar value, you can actually change your total budgeted profit. So if I change this down to, let's say, 20%, it will change this. You notice that I'm going below the company settings actually that we've got. That's why it's highlighted in yellow. You will see this section down here pop up, and it will say there's a price adjustment and how much the price adjustment is for. In addition, if you scroll up, you will actually see when you open up your estimate, you will see that these will break down to 20% across the board. Some of them may look a little odd when you're going through it because it's having to adjust. It's doing all the work for you on the back end, but don't worry, it just drops everything down to that 20% that you've set up as your total budgeted profit.